is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I am back with several work from home hot leads from a company called Concentric. Now, Concentric is very popular, so you've probably heard of them, and they are hiring for their sales customer rep opportunity, and it's open in over 35 states. So I definitely wanted to share because I know sometimes these opportunities are only open in certain areas. So before I get into that information, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you tap the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest work from home opportunities. I post weekly work from home hot leads for companies that are hiring, as well as work from home information that I know you will love. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. We are at the Concentric's career website, and when you get to their website, they have a little video and some information that will help you know a little more about the company. They ask, is work at home right for you? And then they have the attributes such as being organized, independent, disciplined, effective communicator, personable, focused. All of those are really, really important if you're going to have success working from home. So when you scroll down a little bit more, that's where you'll see all of their work at home opportunities. They've got several different opportunities available. So definitely come here and look at these opportunities if you are looking for something else. But I'm going to go into the opportunity of sales and service rep. Now, this opportunity is open in 35 states, and not to waste too much time reading them off, you've got pretty much the whole Southeast covered. You've got like some Midwest locations. You've got Minnesota, Utah, Virginia, Vermont, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Michigan, New Mexico, Iowa, Ohio, all of these places, and then like all the Southeast, like I mentioned. So just come here and scroll through to make sure you see your state listed, and you can kind of see it on the screen as I scroll through. But I'm going to go ahead and go into one of these leads. They're all the same, so I'm just going to go into the Alabama sales and service rep opportunity. And again, this is the same lead for all of the states, and it's for 35 different states. So just check if your state is listed. All right, so just jumping in here, I am looking at the work at home sales and service rep opportunity. Again, this is open for 35 states. Just make sure your state is listed, and the pay for this opportunity is $12 per hour. So it says, we're Concentric, a leader in customer management. We make our clients, which are Fortune 500 companies, interactions with their customers smarter, more effective, and more profitable. And we'd like to have the exact same effect on your career. So why Concentric anywhere? They offer paid training and employee benefits. You can save a lot of money and time, and oftentimes have less stress when you work from home. There's no gas to purchase, no windshields to scrape in the winter, and bad weather to drive through. And so it mentions again 35 states listed, and then it says this particular job is open in this area, and it says if you're not physically residing in the state that the lead is open, don't apply to that position. So what it's saying is make sure you find your state and apply to that lead. Don't just open a random one. And then it says we have 3 types of work at home positions that we hire for regularly: sales and service, customer service, and tech support. Every position we have is centered around providing excellent customer service, and some positions are more sales or technically focused. And your answers to the questions during the application process, your qualifications, and your experience will all be reviewed as part of the evaluation process to determine which one is the best fit for you. So once you do apply, they might say, hey, you're actually a better fit for the tech support team or for the customer support team. So if you are looking for those other opportunities, they'll know which one you're a good fit for. So the minimum requirements are that you have to have a high school diploma or GED and at least 1 year of customer service experience or sales experience if you want to be considered for the sales position. And then you need to have your own computer, which is less than 6 years old, a high-speed internet connection, And then you're going to have to do a speed test to make sure it's up to par. And you can work from a laptop, but you'll need to be hardwired, meaning you can't do Wi-Fi. You have to have the Ethernet cord connected. And then it says your monitor will need to be 17 inches minimum. And then it says you'll need a quiet, distraction-free location, a telephone, either a landline or a cell phone. And then that's required for part of your training and team calls. And the phone is not used to receive your incoming work calls. Your internet connection will be used for that. So they're using an internet dialer. So you don't have to go out and get any phone service. If you already have a cell phone, then you're fine and you'll be taking calls through your computer. And then you'll need an approved headset. So that's like a USB headset. And then they are not required as part of the application process. So please do not purchase them before they extend a job offer to you. So wait to get anything before, just wait before they tell you if you're on or not to buy anything. And then a strong candidate will be computer savvy and then comfortable operating in several applications simultaneously. They'll need someone who's a people person. And then it says that they require 7 days a week availability, as customer service is something that is provided by most companies every day of the week. So that doesn't necessarily mean that you're working every day, but they do need you to have an open schedule, and they'll need you to have like open times during every day, and then they'll figure out your schedule. They just want someone who's flexible, basically. And their scheduling is decided during the interview. So you'll know before you even say yes what your schedule will be. And then they've got great benefits, which includes medical, dental, and vision, 401k, which is awesome. And then it says they also offer attendance-based wage increases, performance bonuses, and some programs include sales incentives. So there's an opportunity to make more money, and that's always welcome. So if you are interested in this opportunity, again, find the lead for your location, and then you'll see the apply button, and it will take you through the application process.
All right, so there you have it. That is the hot work from home opportunity from Concentrics. And again, the pay is $12 per hour, and you'll want to find the lead that's open in your state and apply to that one. And then also share this video on your social media. These hot leads videos really help people connect to legitimate work from home opportunities. And hopefully this was helpful for you, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.
Hey, if you're still looking for work from home opportunities, then definitely head over to my website, remoteworklife.co. I've got all of the work from home jobs on my website. I have a mega list of jobs that has over 270 companies that hire remotely listed. You can search by the type of opportunity you're looking for, or you can use the preset search tabs and it'll go ahead and do the searching for you. You can also look at who's hiring currently. I have a now hiring section. I also have a work from home shop where you can pick up all of your office needs. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can go over to this drop down list, and I'm always adding specific list of jobs that you may be looking for. So there's no experience jobs, no phone jobs, night jobs, high paying jobs, all sorts of jobs. So head over to remoteworklife.co for all of your work from home needs. Talk soon.